All right, we're out here with these lantern flies. How's it feel to be from Asia, sir?
Let's make asses of ourselves.
All right, so we are here with Marty. What are we doing this event for?
Good day. And
Here we are. What are you doing here right now?
I am chilling. I'm the vice president, so I'm doing any matters that need to be attended to and checking Twitter, because that's a thing.
So tweet. So
Know it.
I'm here. What's your name? Okay, cool. Yeah. I know a girl with that name too. So why are you here right now? So what are you looking at right now? Are you okay? Are you okay? Tell me right now. Are you okay?
we interviewed? Never mind.